start with sorting techniques. If you have the basic understanding of binary search, where we have learned swapping, sorting will be easy for you. In sorting techniques, we will rearrange the unsorted array in ascending order or descending order. Let's say the input given by the user is 1527843, which is in unsorted manner. So the output that you should produce is 1234578, which is in ascending order. Basically, there are three types of sorting techniques: selection sort, bubble sort, and insertion sort. The major difference between these three sorting techniques is that we will be comparing different index items for different techniques. Let's start with selection sort. In selection sort, we will find the minimum element from the unsorted part and put it in the beginning. So basically, there are two subarrays, which is already sorted, and the remaining is unsorted. Let's take an example for better understanding. Let's say we have 5, 45, 12, 32, 1 in an array. So here 5 is sorted and the remaining array is unsorted. From this unsorted array, we will find the minimum element, which is 1. So here 1 will be placed in the beginning. So in the new array, 1, 5 is in sorted order. 45, 12, 32 are in unsorted manner. From this, it will again find the minimum element, which is 12. So 12 will be placed after 5 and before 45. From 45 and 32, it will again find the minimum element, which is 32. So 32 will be placed after 12 and before 45. So the final array will be 1, 5, 12, 32, 45, which is in ascending order. So the time complexity for selection sort is O of n square and space complexity is O of 1. Let's see the logic for it. Let's say we have an unsorted array which is 2, 1, 3. So here 1 is set to index 0. So 2 will be I. Minimum is set to I. So minimum here will be 2. Now again j is equal to I plus 1. So I plus 1 is 1. So I is equal to j. Now it will check the condition. If array of j is less than array of min. Now what is array of j? Array of j is 1. Array of j is less than minimum. It's true. So swapping will be done and in temp variable array of j will be stored, which is 1. And in array of j, array of min will be stored, which is 2. And in array of min, temp variable will be stored, which is 1. So the new array will be 1, 2, 3. See, now this array is in sorted manner. Now let's try to execute selection sort program on code blocks. Here I've defined the size of the array max to 100. I've also defined some variables n, I, j, temp and min. Here minimum element will be index number 0. I will ask the user to enter the elements and I'll scan them. Here for loop will be executed. It will start from I is equal to 0 to I less than n minus 1. Minimum element is set to I, that is I is equal to 0. For loop will be executed. That is, it will start from j is equal to I plus 1 to j less than n. If the array of minimum is greater than array of j, swapping will be done. Let's try to execute the program. It is asking for the size of the array. I'll enter the elements in unsorted manner. 3, 6, 4, 3. Ordered array is 2, 3, 4, 6. This is how selection sort works.